Welcome to today's lesson. You will need your notebook for notes and a pen or a pencil. Please gather those materials now. Today we're going to talk about dilations. A dilation is when you enlarge or reduce a polygon by a scale factor to create a similar image. These are not congruent, they're similar, meaning they're the same shape, different size. So if I want to use the motion rule, xy becomes 3x, 3y, this is telling me that whatever x is, I multiply by 3, and whatever y is, I multiply by 3. So my scale factor would be times 3. If I had the following points, what would they dilate to? What would 2, 1 become? What would 3, 1 become? And what would 1, 3 become? 2, 1 would become 6, 3. And I multiplied both of these times 3. 3, 1 would become 9, 3. And I multiplied both of these times 3. And then 1, 3 would become 3, 9. I multiplied both of these times 3. So when I were to graph this, my original points were here. My new points, I want a pen, are going to be 6, 3, 9, 3, and 3, 9. Let's connect those. And this shape right here is going to be 3 times the size of this shape. Cool, huh? All right. So what I want you to write down, which I should have told you to begin with, this, 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 and these. Hit pause. All right, let's look at another one. Tell me, is this a dilation or not? Is this, remember this is my new figure because of the prime button. C is going to C prime. Does this look like a dilation? Yeah, it's a dilation. Does this look like a dilation? No, because this is not similar to that. Make sense? You guys are awesome. Okay, look at this one. Do you think that's a dilation? Sure enough is. What about this one? It's not, because this compared to that isn't the same as this compared to that. So it's not a dilation. All right. I want to copy this down in your notes. Dilate these 3 points by a scale factor of 2. What would 2, 1 become? 4, 2. What would 3, 1 become? 6, 2. And what would 1, 3 become? 2, 6. Copy that down. This one's different. Now, on this one, if it's getting 2 times bigger, then it's times 2. What is this scale factor going to tell you? It's getting smaller. So to find that, all I do is take 1/4 of 8 and 1/4 of 10, or divide each one by 4. So what would 8, 10 become? 2, 2.5. What would 4, 6 become? 1, 1.5. And what would 6, 8 become? 1.52. So you see how these are all getting smaller? Then the shape would get smaller as well. All right. If I did this by a scale factor of 2, that's what it would look like. And I'm going to show you what one would be by a scale factor of 1/3. 3, 9 would become 1, 3. 9, 6 would become 3, 2, because you can't see that. And 6, 3 would become 2, 1. And all I did was multiply each one by 1/3. Now, let me show you what that shape would look like. This is the original, and this is the transformation. So that's all a dilation is, multiplying or dividing both sides by a scale factor. See you in class. Have a nice evening.